The living room is the final frontier of the digital age, and for years, it has been a battlefield of good enough. We've settled for smart TVs with sluggish interfaces, data mining software, and processors that struggle to open a simple streaming app. But as we move deeper into 2026, the paradigm has shifted. While the world was looking at VR headsets and foldable phones, Apple was quietly perfecting the most powerful entertainment hub ever conceived. I'm talking about the new Apple TV 4K, a device that is no longer just a streaming box. It has evolved into a high-end gaming console, a professional smart home controller, and an AI-driven cinema engine that makes your local movie theater look like a relic of the past. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you are listening to this right now, you are probably tired of the lag. You are tired of your TV remote not responding, your smart TV tracking your every move, and the mediocre picture quality of standard apps. You want an experience that is fluid, private, and breathtakingly powerful. The Apple TV 4K 2026 edition isn't just an upgrade, it is a total takeover of your home theater. We are diving deep into the move to the A18 Pro Silicon, the introduction of a dedicated spatial audio processor, and the secret partnership with gaming giants that is about to turn this tiny box into a PlayStation 5 rival. This is the full, unvarnished truth about why the Apple TV 4K is the only device that deserves to be plugged into your HDMI port. Let's talk about the brain. For the first time, Apple has stopped using older chips for its TV box and has moved the Apple TV 4K to the A18 Pro architecture. Why does a streaming box need the power of a flagship iPhone? 2 words: Apple Intelligence. In 2026, the way we find content has changed. We are no longer scrolling through endless rows of icons. With the A18 Pro, the Apple TV 4K features predictive discovery. It doesn't just suggest movies, it understands the context of your life. It knows that on a Friday night at 8 p.m., you want high-octane action, but on a Sunday morning, you want something educational for the kids. It processes your entire library locally, ensuring that your viewing habits stay on the device and off the servers of data brokers. But the power isn't just for menus. Let's talk about the visual engine. The A18 Pro allows for real-time AI upscaling that puts every other manufacturer to shame. If you're watching an old 1080p movie or a live sports stream that's heavily compressed, the Apple TV 4K uses machine learning to reconstruct the missing pixels in real time. It adds texture to skin, detail to grass, and removes the blocking artifacts from dark scenes. It makes a standard YouTube video look like a 4K Blu-ray. When you pair this with the new Dynamic Vision HDR standard, which samples color data at a 14-bit depth, you aren't just watching a screen, you are looking through a window. Now, we have to address the gaming revolution. For years, Apple TV gaming was a joke, a collection of mobile ports and casual titles. But something changed. With the A18 Pro's hardware-accelerated ray tracing and 12 gigabytes of unified memory, Apple has unlocked the door to AAA gaming. Major studios are now releasing versions of their flagship titles specifically optimized for the Apple TV 4K. We are talking about console-quality graphics, 4K resolution,